Embarking on a fasting journey is like pressing the reset button on your body's complex systems, invoking myriad transformative effects that affect everything from your brain to your metabolism. Whether it's enhancing mental clarity, boosting heart health, or simply losing some unwanted pounds, fasting doesn't just mean giving up food. It's an intentional pause that can rejuvenate your body and mind in ways you might not expect. Let us explore the fascinating science behind fasting and how this age-old practice could be the key to a healthier, more vibrant you. Impact of fasting on the body. Immediate effects. When you start fasting, your body first uses the glucose stored in your liver and muscles as its primary source of energy. This supply typically lasts for about 8 to 12 hours. After these stores are depleted, your body transitions to burning fat for energy, a process known as ketosis. During this phase, you might experience temporary side effects like fatigue, headaches, and dizziness. Changes in metabolism. As the fast continues, ketosis deepens. The liver converts fats into fatty acids and ketone bodies, which replace glucose as an energy source. The brain and other organs use these ketone bodies more efficiently over time, which can lead to increased mental clarity and energy levels after the initial adaptation period. Hormonal and cellular responses. Fasting significantly affects hormonal balance. It increases the levels of norepinephrine, which helps to burn fat, and decreases insulin levels, improving insulin sensitivity. Moreover, fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells clean out damaged parts, which may contribute to improved cellular repair and longevity. Long-term health impacts. Studies suggest that regular, structured fasting can have several health benefits, including improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and potentially lower risks of certain diseases like type 2 diabetes, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. However, these benefits can vary greatly between individuals based on factors such as the duration and frequency of fasting, the individual's overall diet, lifestyle, and genetic factors. The benefits of fasting extend beyond physical health, impacting psychological well-being by fostering a greater sense of discipline and improved relationship with food. Embrace fasting as a gateway to a healthier lifestyle, and let this time-tested practice be your guide to a revitalized body and mind, paving the way to a healthier, more energized you. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.